Oil marketing companies have increased the price of 19 kg commercial LPG cylinders by 195 rupees and 50 paise across metropolitan cities effective from April 1st. As per Indian Oil Corporation Limited, the revised price in Delhi now stands at 2,078 rupees and 50 paise, while Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai have recorded prices of 2,280 rupees, 2,031 rupees and 2,246 rupees and 50 paise respectively. However, domestic LPG cylinder prices remained unchanged across the country. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas attributed the hike to 44% surge in the Saudi contract price amid supply disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz due to the West Asia conflict. It stated that commercial LPG prices are market-linked and revised monthly and account for less than 10% of total LPG consumption. The ministry added that domestic LPG prices remain subsidized, with rates of 913 rupees for a 14.2 kilogram cylinder and 613 rupees for PMUY beneficiaries, even as oil companies continue to incur significant under-recoveries.